Hey everyone, welcome to Norway. Why Norway? Because I'm on a motorcycle trip to the fjords in Bergen, and I left from Oslo in the morning. Now it's been a very rainy day, and I rented a Harley, and I'm having a great time seeing all the beautiful landscapes and all the beautiful things in Norway. And I stopped on a mountain pass at this little tiny restaurant, and I opened up my email, and this is what happened. Hey everyone, Paul Akers. Check out this cool email I just got from Ronan in the Philippines. Amazing. This guy gets it. I'll read it out loud. Hi, Paul. I was having a conversation with a fellow traveler one night where I was trying to explain the difference between 2-second lean philosophy of growing people and the corporate lean system that uses lean as a tool to try to increase productivity and profits. I spotted a chess set in the bar we were in, and I used that to explain the difference between the above two approaches, i.e., some companies want to keep their employees as pawns to prevent them from demanding more remunerations. FastCap's approach, as I see it, is to queen its pawns, creating an unbeatable team. As an exercise on a rainy day in the Philippines, I drew up this attached image to summarize the above. Please feel free to use it in any way. As you have taught me so much, I want to try to give you a little bit back. Kind regards, Ronan. Hey Ronan, great job on your analogy. Here I am in Norway. I read your email and I laughed out loud. It was just so perfect. But I thought to myself, not only do I want to make all my team members queens, but I want to make the entire world queens. I want everyone to be empowered, including you and everyone else that I meet and come in contact with this powerful philosophy. Thanks so much for getting it. You're awesome.